Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share a delicious chocolate mini cake recipe. These tiny treats are packed with hazelnut flavor and makes a great gift for family and friends. They are perfect for any occasion. Let's get baking. Ingredients for making mini cakes. Start by preheating your oven to 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. This is 185 grams of unsalted butter, 185 grams of granulated sugar, quarter teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla powder. You could use extract as well. This is 40 grams of Nutella. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly for 2 to 3 minutes or until you get a smooth texture. As you can see, the batter is nice and smooth. Now at this stage, let's add the eggs. We are using 3 eggs for this recipe. Add 1 egg at a time. Mix well until it's fully incorporated before adding the next egg in the same manner. To the flour, I have added half a teaspoon of baking soda and quarter teaspoon of baking powder. Just mix well before you add it to the wet ingredients. We are not going to add milk or water to it, so it's going to be on the thicker side and will have a semi-thick consistency. Line a parchment paper on the baking tray and add the batter, spreading it well. For this recipe, you need 2 cakes of the same size. You could divide the batter in 2 trays and bake. But I'm going to bake in 1 tray and then cut and layer them. You can double or triple the ingredients according to your requirements. The batter is ready to be baked. Bake in the preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. Since it's a thin layer, it could bake quickly as well, so be careful and check. It took 25 minutes to bake. Now I'm going to transfer it to a wire rack and let it cool completely. I've taken 150 grams of chocolate chips and I'm going to melt them in the microwave for 30 seconds. Microwave them for 4 to 5 times in 30 seconds intervals. I will melt them and then show you. When the chocolate is warm, give it a thorough mix for a smooth consistency. This is 120 grams of Nutella. Add it to the melted chocolate and mix until well combined. I have cut the cake in half and I'm going to spread the chocolate on one side of the cake. Once you spread the mixture evenly, place another cake on top of it and press it gently and then put it in the fridge for 10 minutes to let it set. As you can see, the chocolate inside the cake is set. Now we can cut the cake into the desired shape using a cookie cutter or any bottle cap that is at home. It's so tiny and cute, bite-sized cake, perfect for parties or any occasion. Do not discard the cake after cutting it. Just put it in a Ziploc bag or a freezer-friendly container and store it. You can make cake pops or popsicles later. This white chocolate is to coat the cakes. Cut it into small pieces so it will be easy for us to melt. You can melt the chocolate in either way. Melt it in the microwave or use the double boiling method by boiling water in a pan. Add chocolate to a steel or a glass bowl and then place it on top of the boiling water. The bowl should not touch the water, it has to melt in the steam. I have divided the melted chocolate into 3 bowls to add colors. Always add food gel color or oil based color. It will blend easily with the melted chocolate. Do not use powdered color, it will not blend well, and also you will not get the flowing consistency. Dip the mini cakes into the melted chocolate and set them aside. Once the chocolate is set, you are ready to decorate them. If there is any excess chocolate, just trim it off. Mini chocolate cakes are done. They are so delicious and yummy and they melt in your mouth. Do give them a try. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next recipe. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.